last day in Florida together. Ooh. What was that? You thought I didn't see all that? Which one is this? Huh? Oh, this is good. I want to see. There you go. Yeah. What you think? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh my God.
My dear one coming up.
Yeah, what?
My bond.
What the heck is that?
Dear one and keep it. You know, my baby.
I haven't tasted this yet, but it looks good.
Damn safety now. Y'all had traffic. Oh, look at her slurping and all that.
We've been together for 7 years. You would think he'd be used to this.
Oh, that's why I don't think I can really have to.
We're not even by nobody.
On this one.
I'm talking about you and you eating.
Oh.
You look better. Okay, so next question. What's my favorite kind of TV? Like, I mean, what's my favorite kind of shows? You don't have to name any specifically, but
I know that TLC shit. You love that shit. Them moms and them twin girls and all that. And love and hip hop and Black Crew and Inc. and all that shit.
okay.
That's all you do.
What's my favorite Christian rappers?
Lecrae, Andy Menonakis. It's like Menonaway or something. So Andy, so. Okay.
Okay, you got it so far. I think it's something else. Oh, shut up, because I don't say that when you make stains on your shirt.
Ma-da-da-da-da.
No. What's my favorite food? No, if I had to pick anywhere to go out to eat.
Olive Garden.
Okay. What about my fast food? What's my favorite fast food? Something that we can pick up quick and easy.
Something that you can pick up quick and easy.
Yeah. What food spot?
Probably had to be McDonald's.
I said my favorite.
That's the only place you be going to is McDonald's.
No, I don't.
Or Wendy's.
No, I don't.
No fast food that you be getting, bro. Stop capping.
Somewhere that you can just pick up quickly.
Oh, Chipotle.
Yeah, nigga.
You can't say it like that. You got to say
that's fast food.
Yeah. Olive Garden or Chipotle. Like, you can't say it like.
You wasn't about to know it.
Come on, man, stop playing. I got this in a bag. And this is the type of talk that I like and that I accept.
Oh my God.
So, fellas, you put the very baritone, very white voice on. Maybe look into your eyes and that's it.
I just said that today. That's how you do that one.
That's like. Capping for the camera, man. This for the camera. Don't do this for the camera, man. Stop. Don't do this for
Okay.
We gotta go. It's 2:31, yo.
What color
We
car
about
do
to
I like?
head out this front door.
He passed. He got the money.
25.
Whatever.
Quit trying to ask me all these questions.
Whatever.
Don't lie.
We gonna get on the doctor. Are you ready to get on the doctor? Look, I can only hold my arm out this way. I think my arm really broke, huh? You're not even listening to me. Ugh.
That's I am, baby. You can't hold your arm out that far. You
Oh,
think
look
your
at these
arm
little
is broke.
shoes. They boarding at 250, she said. It's the duck tour. We about to go on. Or whatever. He on his phone. As y'all can see in every single vlog. Oh, shut up. Alright, can you at least look at the camera?
How y'all doing? God bless you.
Oh, it's too much for me. School done gone much.
Three quacks, quack, quack, quack. Get your hands up. Hands up. Get them up, get them up, get them up. Higher. Commit to it. Come on, man. Commit to it. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Quack, quack, quack. Being an artist, we're on that opening though. Now question. Who wants to see $1 million real estate? We got the Jerry Maguire this one. If you want to see $1 million real estate, let me hear you say, show me the money. Let's get to it. That yacht, you see that boat right there? That boat right there. That is the home of David and Victoria Beckham. Now the next home after that with the terracotta roof is the home belonging to Gloria and Emilio Estefan. They once hosted a party for Jennifer Lopez, who was celebrating her 50th birthday. Now ladies and gentlemen, 50 has never looked so good. Now this white home right here was seen in a classic movie starring Al Pacino in his iconic role as Tony Montana. That is the Scarface house, ladies and gentlemen. Now the next house on the in here is the former vacation home of talk show hostess Rosie O'Donnell. Oh, me flight attendant, I'm not turning around. You're going in the water, ladies and gentlemen. Going in free! Oh! Contact! And touchdown. $2 million. How much do you think it costs for one of these boats to drop anchor here? Do you want to have an opening bid of $1,000 per month? Thank you. $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $5,000, $10,000 in the back, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000, $25,000 going once, $25,000 going, $25, started bid at $25, started bid at $25, and ladies and gentlemen, no sale. And I'll tell you why. The actual cost for one of these boats to drop anchor here, ladies and gentlemen, is $0 per month, absolutely free. All they need to do is come about, drop anchor, and the next thing you know, ladies and gentlemen, it's home sweet home, and they're living next door to the rich entertainment. Along with Eric, ladies and gentlemen, Biscayne Bay is also the home of the Florida manatee. The Florida manatee is a sea mammal that weighs up to 3,000 pounds. Now, it is considered to be an endangered species, but it's quickly making a comeback. Go ahead and bring your mask up, sir. Perfect. A multi-Grammy winner, Alicia Keys. Now, because it sits on the western side of the island, she gets breathtaking views of the sunset. So it's a beautiful place to have a home right there. Now, look over here. You see the home with the multiple colored flags and the boat right here, the yacht? There's a for sale sign right there. It's for sale for $13 million. It has 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. Right here, this is her 2012 crossover hit. Don't say goodbye. Alright, enough of that. Now listen. She had the home built in 2 halves. You guys can see straight up the middle of the home? Because she built it in 2 halves. 1 half for her new husband, and the other half for herself. So basically what you got there, you have his and hers homes. Good kick. Check out the scarecrow chilling out in front of this $20 million mansion. You see the scarecrow? Keeping the neighbors out. You guys see it? Now this home coming up right here on our right hand side, it was purchased in 2005 by famed baseball player Alex Rodriguez. Now at the time, he was romancing Something About Mary star Cameron Diaz. It didn't work out. Former home of the Queen of Salsa, Celia Cruz. She was born in Havana, Cuba, and before becoming a teacher, she actually studied to be a singer. There's a home on this next island that is the envy of all the other homes. On the estate, they have 27 imported South African Egyptian palm trees. 27 of them. Each of them are valued right here. Directly coming up on our right-hand side is Monument Island. Now, Monument Island is a public island. You can have a picnic there or walk about, relax, chill out for a while. So yeah. Where did it come from? He decides to read the note in the package. It says, I'm in Miami, come see me. You come to seat, everybody, as the captain takes us back up onto land. Man on the back, go ahead and take your seat. Take your seat, everybody. There's going to be a slight jolt when we make contact with the ramp. And he lost his phone. There we go. Are you okay?
I ain't moving this one.
You're not going to move it?
No.
Yeah, almost there, almost there. And touchdown. Let's give Captain Sharkey a round of applause for getting us safely onto land, ladies and gentlemen.
Off of Star Island, island of the rich and famous. What is it?
Thong sandals.
Not thongs.
Man, don't be trying to show my food on some thong sandals. That's all I didn't eat.
I just knew we was about to come here and see some pretty clear beaches. Man, look at this. That's not clear. That is brown. Where's the clear part? Yummy, yummy, yummy. I've never seen at the beach. Come in, Mr. Crab. Come here, Mr. Crabby.
Look at this white.
No bikes in this area. Temporary cafe zone.